What's up guys, Jason here for TechnoBok Unboxings, and I'm sure like myself and many of you out there, it's often when you're sitting at home scanning through those conventional TV type channels that you think, wouldn't it be nice if I had all my smartphone's power transferred to a conventional old TV, something like what I'm showing you at the moment. Take what I like to call a dumb old TV and add smart applications, or take an older smart TV which has its own built-in clunky hub and add something a lot more clean, a lot more streamlined, a lot more sophisticated, something with Android powered TV. Well, I'm extremely excited to bring you this. I've been sent this product. It's by Skyworth Technologies here in South Africa. It's called Leap-S1. It's an Android TV set-top box and it features some powerful entertainment. Firstly, it's using Android TV technology. That means all the latest media and content on demand as it comes out in a very clean, easy to use and absorb function with full-on power of Google's Play Store. We've got the likes of Netflix, YouTube, Disney, Prime Video as a couple of the key things which they speak about here on the packaging. But of course, the other one is the list of features on this side. It's got built-in Chromecast, so that means everything you want to beam from your smart device straight to the set-top box easily, wirelessly, and straight through your Wi-Fi network. Then it's got Ultra HD 4K capabilities, a quad core processor, and dual band 802.11a and c standards for full Wi-Fi usage. So let's cut the package open now, see what comes inside the box, check out the accessories, what's sold in the packaging, and then get it onto the TV and see what it's like using the Skyworth Leap-S1 Android TV. Before we get into anything else in the box, taking a look at the device itself, it looks very neat and very clean in the hand. Lightweight, something you can easily see fitting in any TV cabinet type arrangement. And it's important to note that it's a simplistic device with just what you need. On the front here you've got some indicating LED lights which tell you if it's connected to your network. On the one side here we've got a TF reader, two 5V USB ports, and over on the back of the device you've got your 12V 1A DC in for power, LAN cable, HDMI, AV, IR, and your simple on-off button. It's a simplistic device that looks neat, and something which I think is going to transform the TV experience, which we'll see in just a bit, but one which does it in such a compact, neat manner. If we throw that aside, we also get inside the box here, quite nice to see they've included the HDMI cable, so no need to go out and grab one. It's got your protectors there on the tips, but we'll plug that in just a second. And apart from this, we get another little package within the box here. And this is, of course, your remote control. Now, it's got quick launch buttons for YouTube, Netflix, Google Play, and Prime Video, most of the main sources you'll use. And the other one, which is quite nice to see, is this, the Google Assistant application button. Press that, and it gives you full power, thanks to Google's built-in voice assistant. Other than that, pretty simplistic in the hand. Also, what's quite nice to see is within the packaging, I see they've also included the batteries here, so nice that we can get it set up without having to go out and buy batteries. And apart from this, we just simply get the wall power brick, which is used to power the device via this DC input. So with all of this taken a look at, let's now get it all set up and see what it's like using the Skyworth Leap-S1 Smart TV set-top box. Now, first thing we need to do is pair the remote. With pairing successful, we can jump into setting up the device and then start using Android TV. As you can see, it's a very familiar layout. It connects to my mobile network in a very quick and easy way. My mobile network and that of my device, thanks to them all being in the same Wi-Fi setup, and before you know it, you accept the terms and service and you are into using this device straight away. And here we are. This is a look at using Android TV with a Skyworth Leap-S1. As you can see, it's an incredibly clean and clear setup. Very easy to navigate. You've got your major streaming sources here such as Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and of course there's also a lot more you can do with this. Having full access to Google's Play Store, we can literally put on the likes of there. We've got VLC, the Media Center, TuneIn Radio, you name it. It actually tailors it according to your Google history, and you can set up, well, countless streaming and entertainment sources. This simple, inexpensive, elegant and small device turns your TV into something much, much smarter. Now the other very nifty thing you can do is, remember when I mentioned that voice button during the unboxing? Well, take a look. If we press it, what happens? Play me some music. Straight away you jump into your favorite music selection, perfect for setting that scene for a dinner party or setting the mood. You can jump in and enjoy some of your favorite streaming sources. From me, Jason of TechnoBok, until next time, if you're looking for a great Christmas idea or a gift for the holiday season, it's fair to say, if somebody hasn't got a smart TV or they got one of the older generation smart TVs, this Leap-S1 by Skyworth is the perfect idea.